The Science Olympiad competition was an event in which students on dedicated teams from Lake Braddock and other nearby schools competed in a variety of different STEM topics. We asked the members of the team what it was like to win states and advance to the finals.
Winning states was really, really cool. When we were at the awards ceremony in the room, the entire team just saw that Thomas Jefferson was called a second, and we all started freaking out because we knew that meant we were first, and then they called us as first. But at that point, it didn't even matter because we knew, and everyone was just exploding and screaming, and it was just like the most awesome experience you can imagine.
It's a pretty great feeling, especially in my last year of coaching, to be able to end it on a high note with winning state and going to nationals. It's something that our team has been working toward for a long time, the past couple of years. It's been a goal of ours to break the top 3 in the state.
So I've worked on several projects. One example of that, for instance, is a Wi-Fi antenna that my partner Steve and I have been building for several months now. We've developed many iterations that have involved several changes and design improvements that has been over the course of several months now. But there are other similar projects that I've had in other events.
I did It's About Time, which is like building a clock and then doing physics type stuff. I did experimental design and data analysis, which is like statistics and then making an experiment and doing it. And what's the last one? Chem lab, which is just chem lab, chemistry, that stuff.
So to prepare for nationals, our team is continuing to practice multiple times a week. We're coming in early on days to work on our builds. For instance, I'm continuing development on the Wi-Fi antenna, on my model airplane for Right Stuff, and other various builds. So we're just making sure that we're all ready both on our build competitions and we're studied for the tests so that we can go and do our best at nationals.
Part of coaching and being a part of Science Olympiad is getting to work with the different groups of students every year and get to know them and have fun with them through this process. So yes, we're a successful team, which is awesome, but we also just have fun together, and that's what science should be about.
The purpose of Science Olympiad, in my opinion, is mostly to provide an environment and a place where people who are really interested in science and want to fuel that into competition can come and thrive and have a ton of fun together, but also learn a lot more about subjects that we might not have had we just stayed in our classes, if that makes sense.
This has been The Morning Brew, signing off.